Okay, everybody, we're all set up in New York. I think that I spooked some birds in here. Unfortunately, there were some out in the field next to it. And I thought I could get in here clean, but I couldn't. I spooked some. But we're gonna sit tight here just about all day, see what happens. Got a bird gobbling up here on the hillside. Sounds like you might be getting closer. Got a bird gobbling to our left again. He went quiet for a while, but now he's gobbling again pretty good. Boom! Pennsylvania to New York. I called that bird in from a long ways away. Let's go grab him. Tell you what, when you have blood on your decoy like that, that's a really good sign. Yes. I'll show you my setup here. So I was tucked right into this bush right here, and I wanted to be on, you know, the shadow side. It was a little sunnier this morning. I wanted to be tucked right in here. I had my decoy set up at about 28 yards right there in the corner. And I struck that bird. That thing was a long ways away. He started gobbling this morning, and he came a really stinking long ways, and he came out right through here, came out to the edge of the field. Seen this bad boy. That old bird couldn't resist it. I was telling him everything he wanted to hear, and popped out to the edge of the field right there, full strut all the way to the Jake. Getting ready to beat him up when I shot him. But I'm using these cluck calls. I have a discount code and link in the description. I called both these birds in this morning with that call. I'm shaking still, but this is an awesome little spot to tuck up into, and it was comfortable. I put those legs out on this vest and just relaxed. It was sweet. Pennsylvania bird down, New York bird down the same morning. Let's check this one out. I'll get a tag on him. Got some pretty good hooks on him, white looking. Got a nice long beard. Awesome.
Grace, I thought you lost your best friend yesterday watching your video, for Christ's sakes.
Yeah, well, I redeemed myself this morning.
Oh, did you?
You got a turkey this morning, huh?
I killed one in Pennsylvania on the game lands first thing, and then I came down here and killed a huge one right out in Carl's field. So I got a New York and Pennsylvania turkey in the same morning. It's the first time I've ever done that.
Good.
And they're
glad after as disappointed as you were yesterday, my gosh.
I know.
Well, looks like you're having a hell of a day. You walked in right as the
That's exactly what I was thinking. That was a good deal.
Huh?
Those probably determined, don't they?
No, just...
Heck yeah. That was great timing. Yep. He certainly has a longer beard than you do, Dad.
Yeah, why trim mine? I think I got him beat on the spurs.
Do you?
Yeah. I got a longer spur than that bird has, I guarantee you that.
Yeah, he came in and put on a show at the Decoy.
Well, he got a bead right in his head, huh?
Couple of them there. One went right through the middle of his beak.
Oh, yeah.
He had his head right up over the decoy when I let him have it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yep. He didn't like that decoy when he hit the field. I'd been calling to him for all morning. He was a long ways away when I first heard him. He really traveled to get to that field.
Well, those birds yesterday, I watched your video yesterday, and they came quite a ways.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they did.
And when they got closer, they were running.
Yeah, they didn't like that decoy.
Yeah.
Then they always get about 5 feet from it, and they're like, oh, crap, that thing's not real.
Yeah, but they hang right around it then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like they didn't take right off.
Yep. 2 nice gobblers this morning.
Very nice, Cliff.
Let's go ahead and get these bad boys weighed up here. So this is the Pennsylvania turkey from first thing this morning.
it out. Zero it out. Off the ground. 19.96 for the Pennsylvania bird. .96. I don't know if you guys seen the spurs very good or not. Got kind of a pencily beard, but it's pretty long. Okay, let's see what the New York bird is. .94 pounds. So the New York bird wins. .94. This one certainly has bigger hooks on him. Right there. And he's got certainly a longer beard as well. Either way, real nice turkeys. We're going to go ahead and get them cleaned up, and we're going to have them on the pot this afternoon for dinner. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, everybody. I wanted to show you the dinner we're having tonight, which is fresh turkey breasts in the refrigerator right there. I have a video on how we like to cook our turkey breasts. We cook our drumsticks different than we do our breasts. The drumsticks are in the freezer already, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I wanted to let you guys know I had some questions on some of our merchandise, like our hats and stuff. We have camouflage hats, these black hats. We have orange hats for like woodchuck hunting in Pennsylvania or rifle hunting or whatnot, that you have to wear an orange hat. And we have, my phone's going off. We have a website that I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You guys can check out. We have t-shirts, stuff like that. And something I also often do is review products on the channel, and I sell those like half off, and I usually do it through Snapchat. So I'll like make a post on Snapchat showing the item, and then I usually get rid of it for like half of what we actually paid for it, just because we did it for the review. You know, some of the items we already have, so we don't need multiple. So if you're interested in getting some smoking deals, you can add me on Snapchat as well. But overall, oh, I wanted to tell you what I'm shooting too. I was shooting Longbeard XR 3-inch 5-shot in this video. It's really cool because you can actually see the BBs, the pellets, you know, impact the turkey's head, which was really cool. Felt good to finally have a good day turkey hunting. It's been a great year, but a rough year up to this point. What's unbelievable is you think, as of yesterday, I'd called in 7 gobblers. This morning I called in 2 longbeards, 9, and then later on this morning in New York I called in another one, so that's 10. Not counting all the jakes that were with them this morning. So, you know, I'm 3 days into the season, and we've really had an unbelievable turkey season as it is. But I have another tag in Pennsylvania and another tag in New York. I'm not going to shoot another turkey on the farm in New York here. I'm gonna go to the game lands or elsewhere to try to find that last turkey for New York, and I'd like to do it with a bow. So I'm gonna spend more time with a bow instead of the shotgun. I'd like to kill a turkey on video with a bow. So that's the goal, my next goal. I think I'm gonna go to Pennsylvania in the morning and see if we can let one have it with a bow. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.